A very distinctive sound, recognizable even over the noise of New York City. In the heart of Manhattan, Allan creates instantaneous poems on his typewriter. In the 10 years he's been writing on request, he estimates he's penned at least 7,000 poems.
It's very physically satisfying to type on. And it also, I think, reminds people of a time when we built consumer products actually to last and serve people and, you know, be household items for a generation, as opposed to just having throwaway plastic stuff.
Of course, it's not just writers and poets who owe their livelihoods to typewriters. This company, Swintech in New Jersey, is one of the remaining manufacturers in the United States of electronic typewriters. And they have some very niche clients. The company sells see-through typewriters to prisons, allowing guards to easily check inside for hidden contraband, like drugs or weapons. The company feels in this computer age, typewriters have plenty of reasons to retain their appeal.
When you turn a typewriter on, you can't sit there for 45 minutes and check your emails. You can't go on Facebook, you can't go on different programs. You turn it on and you go right to the application you turned it on for. You type a letter, and when you finish, you turn it off and you're finished. Gives you 100% productivity. No wasted time.
Doctors also see them as a potential remedy to help people break internet addictions. Psychiatrist Sean Lowe specializes in the area, but says it's a condition that needs more research to properly diagnose.
These effects are so new, especially with the emergence of very intrusive social networking applications. The effect of that should be studied, and it hasn't been studied, especially for people with existing psychiatric conditions.
Clearly, vintage still has value and could offer the online obsessed a way to unplug. But as Andre admits, the internet does have its uses for buying his beloved typewriters.
If you get them off of Craigslist or eBay, they're usually not very expensive. Yeah, that's a positive use of the internet.
Nick Harper, TRT World, New York.